Just hanging over. Every time that I slip, I wanna run away.
So hey what guys, this is here back with another video. So now guys, I'm so grateful to see you guys again from another video. So now
Hi.
I am with Aaron. So he will show us
Why she?
he will show us with redstone comparator like that.
Comparator.
Its password, and this is like this. Just this is the password if you know your password. So any password you want, and this is like this. Okay, Aaron password is like this, and it shows the house or secret house base. So that's the comparator. And guys, what did you say?
Look, when you put the wrong password here, the door will not open.
Yeah, of course. And let's
Like-
open. So we have a secret bases, and this is, can you open? Yeah. This is, can you put this in the box in here? So how?
Oh.
Just press this and
Open again.
and if you want to open again, it's like this. Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh, because this is a wrong password. So like
Or
this.
just get blocks.
Yeah, of course. It's like this. Yeah. Sorry guys for that. So I will show you how to do that. So with Aaron, my friend. So let's get started.
Wait.
Let's do in here. Right. Here.
Where are you?
What?
Where are you?
Do. Hey guys, I'm back, and now we'll show you the redstone part. Yeah. So first,
I read
the item.
the password.
Okay, the password. Just you need a lever. Yeah, of course. And the blocks you choose.
You choose.
You choose. Oh, that's
You need just lever, a block of your choice, a redstone,
redstone comparator.
a redstone torch,
I
a redstone repeater.
I mean that, guys. I don't know. And
Wait, I'm lagging.
okay.
Where I make it?
Oh, sure.
Here.
Yeah. Oh, here.
No, first. Oh, I forgot pistons. Sticky pistons.
Yeah. He said
Sticky pistons.
sticky pistons. I mean,
First, put the pistons in the four, like that. Wait. Like that. 4 blocks away. And you put that again. Like that. Wait.
yeah.
But before, wait. Oh my god. Sorry, ano. Sorry.
Sorry, guys.
2 4 blocks.
He said sorry, guys, because he's wrong in his build. So that's anyway. Just build. Yeah.
First, make a password.
Yeah. Make it
Make a like that.
any blocks you choose, guys. Yeah.
Like that. If you want 6 lever password, just like that, or or like my house, a 4 lever password. But I will do 6 lever password.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I leave.
It's okay. It's okay. So you can continue. You can continue. Yeah. Go.
Okay. Just for example, this is my password. You will do this. But mine is this. Oh. Here. So like that. And here. Oh. Here. Only 2 lever. 2 redstone torches. But 6 lever passwords. So put this. And this. Put this block. Make sure not to connect the other redstone I'm making into the password lever thing. Here. And then there.
Continue. Wait, guys. Wait. I'm back. No.
After that, replace. Go in here. There. Wait. So you can put here a redstone.
Yeah.
Here and here.
Redstones. Yeah. Of course. And connect to here. Connect to here. Connect to the here.
Like that. But wait. Here. So you can connect the pistons. Opening.
Connect the levers. Yeah. Of course. Here.
Yeah. And wait. Up. Up. And then this block goes down. And connect it.
Sides. You need like back block in here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks. And you need just added 1 block in here. Add just down in here.
Wait.
What? That's how it is. Right.
Just test.
Okay. Just put redstone repeater.
And then
Put
here to another like that.
hey, what's this? Okay.
Wait, I will off it. Now that's okay. Now next, here. Oh. Put this. Also high.
Oh, sorry guys.
Here. Make sure to connect this. There.
They're connecting here, so guys, and it's connected, and it's 3 box like here, and 3 box and 4 here, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks length. So
here. Put this.
and it connects from here.
Should connect. Hey,
Oh, sorry.
there.
Yeah.
Please type the password.
Okay, I will type the password. Oh yeah. Cool guy.
Go here, go here. Look, when you put the wrong password, it will not open. Look, when you pull the levers, all levers down. What? Oh. Sorry. I forgot one thing.
I forgot
Here.
Yeah.
If you put all levers down, go here. Put all levers down, it will not work. Only this. So, thank you for watching, guys.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my video. So
Slap that like button.
in the end, please comment and subscribe my video. So this is it. And how can you put if you're here? And what can you put in here? The lever. So guys, back.
Oh, I forgot. When you are inside, you can close this. Just put this lever outside. Put this and this. And you're done. Oh, what happened?
You just forgot in here. You need to connect it on the other side.
It's not working.
Okay. Oh,
Here.
Yeah.
It worked.
yeah, it works. Yay! And guys, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe.
We need
Hit-
subs.
Yeah.
Subs.
Hit the like button in here and hit the subscribe button. Yeah,
Subs.
yeah.
Subs. Okay, end the video.
Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my another video. So subscribe. Just tell me in the description what
Ow.
I will build or the redstone builders. So
In the comment.
in the comment below. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Guys, bye. See you.